Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is June 18th, 2023, 10:15 p.m. What I have here, and I quote from one of the greatest philosophers of our time. I quote this verbatim. "So brown! So malaise!" It is very brown and very malaise. This is from the late 70s, I believe 1976, or maybe 78. It was manufactured. This is what appears to be an Evergo. I'll show you the box here. Now this is brand new in the box. There's no trade name on here at all. It has the pointed motor of a gold line, so I'm assuming Evergo had something to do with this. Or maybe Union. But just the AC ceiling fan. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about. Oh, okay, it is. Union Nagak Key Eli Mafugluted. So it is a Union. All right, I missed that part. So that explains the Gold's Line-esque points at the bottom. So I have it hitched up to a 5-speed regulator that came with it. I actually have a set of 3 of these that I acquired on eBay back in 2006. I paid a lot more money than I probably should have. I look at it in retrospect and think, if I had put that into an index fund, it would probably be able to buy me a rather decent used car right now. But anyway, I digress. I still have no regrets at all. I'm hoping to have a house someday where I can install all 3 of them in a line, on a pitched roof or something. Maybe I'll do that here, actually, in my garage one of these days. But without further ado, let's take this for a test spin. I'm going to start off on speed 1, which is the fastest speed. Whew, look at it go. I'll recant my comment. There's nothing malaise about this other than the era in which it was produced. Oh, that's a nice breeze. It has these really nice blades. These are brand new, these cool little designs on them. Alright, let's try speed number 2. Ew, hey, it's 3, I said 2. Okay, now we'll try 3. After 4. 4? Cinco, 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 cinco. And now for the spin down. And I would like to thank you folks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave. And If you haven't checked out my other videos of the unboxing of these two fans, please do check those out, and check out the future video I'll be doing of this fan's identical twin. Good night and good luck.